Everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. So this week I'm going to show you how to make the paper mache chandelier papered recycled project. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. So guys, this week I want to create a chandelier and I wanted to do it where it has some abstract designs on it like this. And now I have to figure out how am I going to get the two to stay together. So guys, I finished it and I made some changes. So yesterday I had planned on putting these bits and pieces on there, right? Stick it in, cut it out and do it all over. But I felt that maybe what I should do is do this one first, which this is kind of like the lamp, the little lamp that I did, which is linked here. But this is the bigger version of it because I want it to hang as a chandelier. Comment down below if you would hang a paper mache chandelier in your home. Now that you know how to make the paper mache chandelier paper recycled project, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, if you are looking to join a group of creative minds like yourself, I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload different DIY and fashion content. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my paper mache tutorials next and my upcoming video on paper mache earrings. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.